Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set up custom spending reports in Bluevine. It's going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste too much time. I'm just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's get into it. The first step is to log into your Bluevine dashboard on the website. Then you're going to go to the reports or analytics section, depending of course on your dashboard version. Once you're there, select create reports. Now you're going to set your filter. So go ahead and choose a date range, transaction type, or specific categories like payroll, utilities, or marketing. Now select how you want the reports displayed. Could be by totals, by average, or category breakdowns. Then you're going to generate the report and review the results. You're going to see a clear picture of exactly where your money is going. You can also export the report as a CSV or PDF if you need to share it with your accountant or to import it into another financial tool. But yeah, that's pretty much it for the video guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.